I promise by the end of this video, you're going to be ready to buy one of these new beautiful homes. Introducing the Talons at the Eagle Point Golf Community, where luxury meets lifestyle. Imagine living in a masterpiece crafted by the renowned golf course designer, Robert Trent Jones. Let's take a look inside. These 12 units boast of luxury finishes like custom cabinetry all the way to the ceiling, 10-foot ceilings, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, plus each unit can feature a private elevator. Yes, that's right, that's an elevator in your house. This gated community offers exclusive amenities including a large clubhouse, a dog park, a heated pool, and a pickleball court. And here's the exciting part. The developers are eager to sell the first 12 units, so bring your offers because these deals won't last long. The developer wants to blow them all out. How much can you save? Well, let's find out. But at the Talons is more than just a home. It's an investment opportunity. With short-term rentals availability, it's a chance to save tens of thousands of dollars. Give us a call today for a private tour. We can answer any of your questions.